Are you considering moving to Charlotte, but just wondering which community is going to be right for you? Well, this video is going to be for you because I'm going to be showing you this home that's built by Pulte, a nationwide builder, and we're going to be touring the Riverton model today. We're going to be located in the southwest side of town, so if convenient location, uptown Charlotte is a must for you. This is something that you need to consider because we're just a few miles away from Tryon, from the 485 outer loop, and also 77. So you've got access to uptown and Charlotte. And if you are raising a family and schools are important, this subdivision is zoned for the brand spanking new Palisades High School. And the deals that this builder is offering right now, the incentives are absolutely insane. I haven't seen many like this in a long time. They're offering up to 3% towards your closing costs. And some of these homes have already been built out and spec'd out and ready to take ownership today. They're offering discounts of up to $62,000. My name is Dean and I put out videos every single week about living here in Charlotte. I'm also a real estate agent, so if you've got questions about this neighborhood or any neighborhood here in the Charlotte area, I'm happy to answer any of your questions for you. You can give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. Now, with that being said, let's go ahead and jump into this video. So the Riverton floor plan is a 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, but it's really customizable. You can turn this into a 5 bedrooms, 4 full bathrooms, and that's exactly what the model home does. If you do the additional sunroom, which I'm gonna show you here in a little bit, so make sure you stick around and see that on the main level, you're gonna bump the square footage from 3,100 square feet to roughly 3,300 square feet, so a couple hundred extra square feet. When you come in through the main door, you're gonna see the dining room right off the right-hand side. They've done a nice shiplap feature on the side, but my favorite feature about this dining room is right behind my left shoulder. You are gonna have a little cut through to the butler's pantry in the kitchen, which is really nice, so you don't have to loop around that house. But it's really nice entranceway, very wide, very expansive, and it has that large open concept feel. Just making your way just a little bit further up, you're gonna be into the home office. This is finished with these nice French doors, so you do have that privacy. If you want to work from home and that's something that you need, this is going to be a good option for you. Now on the right hand side over here, I'm not going to go down there, but as you can see, it's a half bathroom, which is really conveniently located for the rest of the floor plan. So for your main living area, this is going to be the bathroom that you would use. Beautiful open staircase over here. But here we are now in the main living concept. So you're going to have the living room, you're going to have the dining area, and you're also going to have the kitchen. Now, what I like about these kitchens, if you go into any Pulte home community, the design studio is absolutely fantastic. So they've put it out pretty neutral colors, but if you want to go ahead and do some more earth tone colors, those options are available. So as you can see, they've got the classic white shaker cabinets. This is a microwave oven combo. It's not a double oven. Quartz countertop, but I do love these subway tiles in that blue color. Notice that this island has the overhang, so you've got that area, so if you wanted to put some bar stools over there, you certainly can. And everybody's favorite, you've got the 5 gas cooktop right over there. For all you chefs out there, you can do your cooking, living all here, entertaining. It is a really, really great space. Beautiful stainless steel sink in here. But here is my favorite room that I'm going to show you about, because I don't get to see these too much. Not every builder does this, and it's a sunroom. It's the additional couple hundred square feet, fully enclosed, but it just makes this whole area just seem so much bigger. So if you like sitting down, quiet time in the morning with your cup of coffee, this would be an absolutely perfect spot. This is a nice little area here for the dining area. So you're gonna do probably your everyday eating there. Your formal dining room is probably gonna be more of the occasional, but for your everyday and for those breakfasts on the go with the kids over there, you can of course use the kitchen island. Now look at this fireplace. It is completely finished. This is an update that you can do. So you've got the brick fireplace. It is built-in gas, and on either side, you've got that modern farmhouse feel. You've got that shiplap on the sides, which makes it great. Now, I don't need to tell you how big this area is because you can just see for yourself how much furniture is in this area, and it's absolutely beautiful. So let's go ahead and go right over here. Now, I'm going to show you this little entranceway. because there's a little slip here that I alluded to earlier that cuts through to the dining area. So you're gonna have this nice little butler's pantry over here, which is connected to this dining room. Now I do love like that light fixture, by the way. Now on my right hand shoulder, you're gonna go ahead and see this entranceway. This is probably where you're gonna come in through the garage when you park your car. Here's the entrance. You've got a nice little drop zone right over here. Now this is this additional 5th bedroom that I showed you about. So if you go the 4-bedroom route, the downstairs bedroom would not be included on here, but it's a nice space. But what I like about this, it not only does it have its own walk-in closet, it has its own bathroom. So if you have out-of-town guests, maybe an in-law suite for when they come into town for extended stays, this is the place. And it has a beautiful tiled floor. I love that style. You've got one sink, you've got quartz countertop, and you've got the shower in there. So for your out-of-town guests, or if you need the extra space, this could be good. Now, I had a client that reached out to me a couple months ago that both the husband and the wife worked from home, so they needed 2 offices. So this floor plan worked perfect for them. So before we go upstairs and see level number 2, I just want to talk to you a little bit about the HOA, because when clients reach out to me for me to help them find a house, one of the things they always ask me about is what the community includes in some of the amenities, because people are coming here for a specific reason, a lifestyle, and they want to know what this subdivision includes. So for just $100 a month, you're going to get a pool, miles of walk-in trails, there's a dog park, open space and parks, playgrounds for the kids. But what's really impressive, and I've just been told this, the community has just signed a 5-year contract with Spectrum. Spectrum's the local TV, cable, internet provider. So for that $100, you're gonna get 75 channels of cable TV and high-speed internet. You cannot beat that with a stick. So when you come up the stairs, you're immediately gonna be in the loft area. Now notice the flooring. You're gonna have the exact same flooring as the main level. The bedrooms transition to a carpet, but for the main living area, you've got this beautiful oak LVP flooring in here. So as you can see what they've done with this, they've gone ahead and made this into more like a second living room area, maybe a media room, whatever your preference may be, but it could be work for multiple different applications. Really nice sectional couch over here. You have nice windows, so you've got a lot of natural light coming in here, and you've got a TV on the wall, so this makes a really good use of space. Now I'm gonna walk to the back of the house because I wanna show you how far away the primary owner suite is from the rest of the remaining bedrooms in this house, because you've got almost like the wing of the house on this side or to yourself. So even you're on the second level, you do have a lot of privacy in here. That's a really big primary owner suite. You've got a really nice tray ceiling. And right behind this door, you've got a nice walk-in closet, and it's got the custom built-ins, which I really like. And for this price point, it's pretty rare, because most of the times I just typically see them put those white wire shelving in there. Not a huge fan of that, but as you can see, this is a really nice, large use of space in here. You've got these smaller windows. Primarily they're there for letting light in, so it's really nice, makes it feel really large and expansive. A little piece of furniture here. Not that that's a big deal, but it gives you an idea on how big this space is. So it's not just a space for your bed. You can go ahead and put additional furniture in here, but wait until you see this primary bathroom. I just love these tiles. You've got a beautiful double vanity with the quartz, and you have the shower. Notice there is no bathtub in there. You can have that included. The model home had the oversized extended shower, has the bench in there, and it's tiled, so you can really see. Very popular nowadays to go ahead and have the oversized shower versus the bathtub in there. You've got the toilet, and you've also got an additional linen closet in there. So this is pretty much everything you need. It's very resort style, really feels big, but no surprise, it is 3,100 square feet. This right behind me is an additional linen closet. There's going to be so much storage in this house. The laundry room is on the second level. Not too exciting, but I do like those tile floors, and they do have the same cabinets, the white shaky cabinets up here. Over here, we're gonna have a bathroom, but we're gonna circle back around there because I'm gonna show you something specific here. So we're back now through the main entranceway where the loft area is, and there's gonna be 2 bedrooms immediately here. Decent sized bedrooms, as you can see. They all have walk-in closets in these bedrooms, but they're nice because you've got like, what's that, a twin bed, and you've got room for a desk as well. So perfect if you have teenage, school-age kids. Walk-in closet. Every single bedroom is going to have a window in here as well, so you're going to have lots of natural light. This bedroom, very similar to the last one, it is flipped in reverse on here. The window's on the side of the house, but you still have that nice walk-in closet. Have you noticed that not one of these bedrooms in here has built-ins? It's all walk-in closets, which is a nice feature. Now, those are the additional bedrooms, and I'm going to show you one additional bedroom, which is the second biggest bedroom. It's right off the loft area. And this one's set out to have 2 beds in here, but the size of this room is absolutely ginormous. You've got the double windows, lots of natural light. Obviously, you've got the 2 small beds, but there is a lot of space in this room to go ahead and customize it exactly how you want. Of course, it has a walk-in closet. We know that those are in every single bedroom, but here is the bathroom that we kind of circumvented through. This is the bathroom that you could use for the remaining of the house as well. So you do have a door for the toilet, and you've got a shower bath combo, and then over there you do have double vanities, so it's nice. You've got the 2 sinks on here. All right, so let's go ahead and go downstairs, and now I'm going to talk about the pricing and where we are. So the Riverton floor plan starts at $625,000. Now it does come standard with the 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms. So if you did want to go ahead and include that 5th bedroom, you want to go ahead and update some of the bathrooms to 4 bathrooms, and of course the sunroom, your price point is going to be closer to $700, but you are going to get more square footage with that price point. But don't forget some of the incentives that this builder is offering, because I haven't seen them this good in a couple of years. 3% towards your closing costs. There's also some options available for your design studio packages. And of course, some of these pre-built homes, I've seen them as low as $62,000 off the list price of these. So there is some absolutely crazy deals to be had right now. So if this is something you're interested in, if you have any questions, go ahead, you can give me a call, you can shoot me a text, send me an email. But before I go, I want to go ahead and just encourage you to watch another video, because there's a very similar floor plan called the Mitchell, and I'm going to go ahead and put the link right here. Now, until the next video, I'll see you around town, and God bless.